guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to do a quick little experiment about a air fryer and the oven and which one is better, since an air fryer is pretty much just like a smaller oven. So I'm going to see which cooks faster, which is crispier, and also which tastes better according to me. So yeah, let's get started. I have prepared some food that I'm going to put in the oven and air fryer, and it's just your standard fast food, kind of frozen fast food that you can buy at the store. And I have 4 different variations of food that I'm going to show you right now. Here's the variations of food that I have. I have some chicken nuggets, some frozen chicken kebab, a frozen pizza, kind of pan pizza, and some frozen fries. And this I'm going to just put in the oven until it's ready. I don't really know how long it's going to take, but yeah, so let's put it in the oven and let's find out which is better. And here's the air fryer. As you can see, it's just a Philips air fryer, and I have it set at 200 degrees. So let's say like 10 minutes. Let's start with 8 minutes and then see how long it takes. Okay, now they are both done. The oven one took about 30 minutes to cook, and this is how it looks. And the air fryer one the pizza took 9 minutes. These things took 10 minutes, and the fries took about 14 minutes. So the oven is more than 3 times as slow as the air fryer on the pizza, and about half as slow on fries and other things. So yeah, let's taste them and see which is better. First, let's try the... Ooh, that's hot. Try a French fry from the oven. Okay. I haven't salted these, so it is kind of quite bland, but it has a nice outer texture. It's crispy, it's not super crispy, and the inside is kind of fluffy, so it's actually pretty good. Let's try a chicken nugget from the oven. It's the same there. It's crispy on the outside and moist and soft on the inside, so it's really good actually. Now let's try the air fry one. Let's try a fry. Okay, the fries from the air fry one is better. It's more crispy, and it is also quite soft and fluffy on the inside, so it is actually... The air fry one is better on the inside. It's better overall on the fries. Let's try a chicken nugget. However, on the chicken nuggets I have to disagree. There the oven ones are better. They are more moist on the inside, and the chicken gets a more pronounced feature on the oven one, and it tastes better. It is less dry, but quite similar in crispiness. Let's try one of these kebab things. Let's try the air fry one. That's actually really good. It has a very nice flavor, but I guess the flavor won't really change from the oven or air fryer. And the texture is really good. It's still moist. It's not too crispy. It's not too dry. This is the oven one. I would say they are pretty much the exact same. Okay, finally let's try both the frozen pizzas. Here's the oven. It's very good. It's a little bit crispy on the edges, and the center is still, well, it's not dry. It's moist if you want. I've used that word a lot, but it's good. Let's see how the air fryer compares. Okay, the air fryer pizza is more crispy, and it's almost too crispy, because since I kind of hurt my inside of the mouth, it's just a little bit too crispy. Maybe I should have put it in the air fryer for a little bit less of a time, but it's still good. it's just a little bit too crispy, and yeah, it's a little bit drier than the oven one, so I would actually recommend the oven one on the pizza. But yeah, that's all the food that I had made. So in conclusion, I would say that the oven is better for things like pizzas and maybe chicken nuggets, since you want them to be a little bit more moist and not as dry in the middle, which the air fryer tends to dry out the food more than the oven does. So the oven just pretty much heats it kind of perfectly, because you get that nice, you still get a nice crispy outside, but a soft inside, which you want more on pizzas and maybe chicken nuggets. But for fries and maybe some kebab, then the air fryer is great. It makes really crispy fries, and it takes way shorter of time than it would take to use the oven. Because as I said, it took for the oven one, it took more than double the time for pretty much everything, and you get pretty much the same result for almost everything. So I would recommend the air fryer for someone who has a more busy schedule, but for someone who might want the best of every food, I would recommend the oven, since an oven and the air fryer pretty much works the same. A air fryer just circulates the air and heats your thing up in a small enclosed space, which is why it takes less time to actually cook and prepare your food, while the oven is bigger, and which means that it takes a longer time to heat up and prepare your food. My oven did take 30 minutes to cook everything, and it also took like 5-10 minutes to preheat the oven to that temperature. My air fryer didn't even preheat it, it just gets up to temperature really quick. So yeah, in conclusion, that's all pretty much. So air fryer is for faster cooking and maybe crispier food, while the oven is for more food that you want to be softer on the inside and maybe more moist on the inside. But yeah, that was all for this small little experiment video. If you want to see more videos like this, or maybe tech videos or gaming videos, I also post them on my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, also turn on that notification bell, and also like this video if you liked it, and also like it if you didn't like it, and also comment what you thought about this video, and what you might want to see in the next one. Otherwise, see you next one. Bye.